everybody. Welcome to Blacksmith 21. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen.
Vlogmas.
Vlogmas. This is in the day number 21. So we're not all numbered in the days, but we're coming in. So let's get it together. Let's get started. So let me see. I better get started. My scripture first. When the storm has swept by, the wicked are gone, but the righteous stand forever. Proverbs 10 and 25. Thank you so much. All right, I'm fixing to get started. It was kind of like a Taco Tuesday, but we're doing it on a Thursday. Turkey, black bean nacho. Turkey
And
nacho.
turkey and black bean nachos.
All right, turkey, black bean nacho. So I've got it right now. I've changed the schedule what we're going to have for the day, so I wasn't for sure what I was going to try to fix. Because I had been out most of the day, so I was going to put something together. So this is what I'm putting together. So I'm getting turkey black bean nachos. So I had about 2 pounds it was about 2 pounds of turkey, lean turkey meat, and with bell peppers and onions. Where I'm getting it together here. Okay.
Oh, y'all, sorry, I don't even know if this song. She put onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, cumin complete, and black pepper in there. I don't know if it was on. Hopefully it was when she was putting the seasoning in. Sorry about that, y'all. This time this camera cuts off by itself.
Okay. And this is a Rotel. I'm going to do 2 of them. So this is the one over here. So I couldn't get both pans in at one time, so I had to do one at a time. Okay. Let me see. Can I get the other? I'm doing the cheese, and I'm trying to cut it up in the pot so it can melt. Okay. Now I have that together, so. I'll work the cheese a little bit. I have 2 cans of black beans. Okay, I'm going to add just a little bit of chicken broth. Okay. That's probably about a half a cup.
Kids are here, y'all. They love this. Even the little girls love it.
Can't understand. Okay.
You can add a little Velveeta to the other cheese.
Velveeta cheese. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to pull the cheese in with the video. I'm cheese in with in the skillet with the meat rather. I'm talking about the video, so got me talking about the video.
She putting a little bit more chicken base in it, y'all.
Is that more? Is that enough? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Wow. This is my final touch for my black bean nachos. So this is very good. So, and it's something that is kind of easy to make with a lot of cheese and everything. And you know, it's something good that you can make kind of like on a Saturday football time or whatever. And then maybe also when you get ready to have your
I'm a Cowboys fan, guys.
No, you edit that out too? I'm gonna need you to edit that stuff out too. Except
right.
that Cowboy stuff part.
All right, y'all. Bye.
bye-bye.
Bye.